Hello, people. Welcome to Wildcard Wednesday. Today, I have just launched myself in space. Surprisingly, I am still alive, and we're going to be exploring the entire universe. So, yeah, welcome to Space Engine. This is the first time I have ever played this game, because, I literally just bought it and then waited for this day to happen. So, yeah, here we are. I'm really excited to play this. And we're going to be doing, 3 episodes on this. Just exploring the universe, dude. Super cool. But yeah, make sure to check out Space Engine for yourself because this is an absolutely fun and addicting game. Even though I haven't even, played the thing yet, I just think it's going to be really addicting still. Because, yeah. But yeah, anyways, welcome to December also, meaning I gotta go change the calendar back there. So, yeah. Okay, so here is November. I'm gonna need a new calendar. Cause, yeah, I don't think it, nope, it doesn't go to January again. Okay, well, hopefully I get a new calendar soon. This is the last one, December. The full moon. Very nice. But, yeah. I'll have to go get myself a new calendar. So that's great. Yeah. But yeah, that's the final one. That's December. Um, I still think the best one out of all of them is the where is it? See if I can find it. Um, not that one. Not that one. July. July was definitely the best out of all of them. But yeah, here's December. Let's go put it back up. I just dropped the push pin. Okay. Good to go. We'll go move this. Okay. But yeah. Um, there was that. Let's go do the spin. Actually, I don't know if I have any more battery. Okay, I do. I have 7% of my phone. So, let's go do the spin. So, yeah. Alright, so let's do the spin! Also, by the way, I've seen that there's gonna be some new speed champions coming out, next year. Which is gonna be really cool. Own choice. Oh, wait. Own choice. I can't spin again. What is it gonna land on? Yeah, I'm doing own choice because I already did phone. But yeah. Um, let's do this. Own choice. What should I do? Hmm. Uh, what should I do? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Let me just So this is a pineapple flavored lifesaver. I think it's pretty cool because it's the best flavor of these things. And yeah, let's just go eat it real quick. All right, that was pretty good. All right though. But yeah, anyways, that was a lifesaver. And you know what? I think it was pretty good. But I will be back. All right though. Let's actually get into the game now. Cause yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be playing for, but I think I'm gonna be playing for enough time where I actually feel like I played for enough time. So yeah, let's go move this up and yeah, let's just get playing. Also, by the way, I still am a little sick, um, which sucks. However, I'm basically a whole lot better. Just saying. But I might still sound a little bit off to you, just because yeah. All right though, here let me move it that way. All right, cool. Now let's go play. So yeah, here's Space Engine. This is gonna be such a fun game, dude. So yeah, all we do is just hit continue. Or we can go to over here, do some other stuff too, like tools, video capture, export skybox. Like, look at all that. There's even a like a premium to this too, which is crazy. So yeah, there's also flight simulator, planetarium. But if we click on continue, welcome to the universe. This is the whole freaking universe, dude. Well, I mean, this is a Milky Way galaxy, it looks like. But still. Oh, and there's the Andromeda. Right there, that's the Andromeda. Yeah, you can tell I'm already a space nerd. But yeah. This is gonna be fun. Let's do this. Oh wait. Yeah, it's also really easy to do that. I can also click stop time over here. And stuff. Yeah, dude. Let's just go. So, I should be able to... Yep. I think I know what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, I know what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah, we're traveling. We are traveling. Let's go check out this nebula over here. Dude, this is so freaking cool. I have no idea how to get rid of these things over here yet, but yeah. Let's go check out over here, see what we got. Alright. Let's just go to a star randomly over here. Let's just go to this one, how about? So, yeah, I'll just go to this one. How about that? Where in the world did it go? There we go. Alright. Oh, this is a binary star system over here. This is pretty cool. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, I mean, I can barely see it still, but look at that. Here's a star. Right there. Okay. So, yeah. Now I gotta figure out all the rest of the buttons and stuff. Okay, I'm guessing this is brightness. There we go. Magnitude limit, camera settings. Let's see. What do we got? Ambient lighting. I have no idea what that does. Yeah, I don't even know. All right, though. Let's go click on this. Yeah, look at that. We get all this data over here, which is crazy. Also, that's a lot of years that this has been alive. So, yeah. Oh, man, we got a universe map. That's so cool. Look at that. Dude, that's cool. Solar system chart. Dude, that's cool, too. Like, look at that. All different planets and moons. That's so cool. Alright. And then if we go over here, this is what I was actually trying to look for. Okay. Yeah, this. This thing. Let's go to this planet right here. This looks like a Mars planet almost. Alright, so where's that? It's just over here. Okay. So if I just go to over here, should be right about there. Go back a little bit. I'm trying to figure out the controls still, okay? Don't mind me. We're almost here to the planet. What is up with my voice? Alright. Look at that. I can see it right there. Dude, everything looks so tiny when you're moving so fast. Okay, here we go. Here's our Mars-like planet. Oh, man, this is cool. Dude. Look at that. This thing is cool. Oh, time resumed. Okay. That's how you do that, at least. Dude. This feels so much like No Man's Sky, also, except, like, way larger, because this is the whole universe. Like, it's crazy. But, yeah. Let's go check this out. You can actually go on the planet itself. Look at that. That's super cool. Now, where is the original star? There's the original star. Oh, snap. There's a moon. And two. Really cool. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely amazing. But yeah. Let's just, head off the planet real quick. There we go. Oh, looks like there's another galaxy, unless that's still the Andromeda. I'm not sure. This actually might be a super cool view if we go to this moon over here. What's this moon called? I'm not pronouncing that, because I have no idea how to pronounce that. Alright, though. We are on the moon of that planet. Dude, that's so cool. Because you can barely see the rings. It's like in the perfect spot. Alright, let's go over here real quick. Yeah, just about over here. Let's go see. It's so cool how all this is like rendered and stuff too. But yeah. Yeah, that's so cool. And look at that, there's like more nebulas over there too. Like everything that you can see in this game, I can just go to. Like I don't think you understand how freaking insane that is. Here, let me just go over to here real quick. There we go. That's super cool, dude. That's actually super cool. Alright, let's just go over here real quick. What is that? What is that tiny thing? Yeah, this. What is this? This is really small. Oh! I've actually seen this before! I think we're actually at a real place or something. Wait a second. Is this the... I feel like I've seen this exact thing before. Yeah, I feel like this is exactly a like celestial object that we actually have ourselves. But yeah. Cuz I thought it was remind me of stuff. But yeah. This looks a bit like the title screen, I just realized. Like if I go back, that looks a bit like the title screen, but it's not. So, yeah, there's that. But yeah. This is also a really cool view, except that you can't even see the what is it? Rings. But they're like right there, which is super cool. But yeah. What other places should we go to? I think we should just go to a different star in general. Or maybe a different planet. Like, what other planets do we have over here? Yeah, dude, look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, this is a binary star system. That's crazy. We'll go check to see what planets we have here. These are really cool planets. We got a gas giant there. I want to see this one because it looks like freaking, Dorito planet. Cold Arid Terra. Okay. This section might be pretty cool. A distance... Bubbler. Distance away is freaking 311 light years, dude. That's kind of crazy. How in the world is it connected to the same star? That doesn't really make any sense. Unless it's just like browsing for me or something. Yeah, let's go to a different star anyways. Yeah, let's go see what else we have over here. I don't think really much else. But yeah, this was a nebula we were just at, which is crazy. Now, let's go to over there actually. Oh, there's the Magellanic Cloud or whatever, the small and the large one. Let's go to over here. This looks like a fun nebula. Oh yeah, dude, look at this thing. This looks cool. That's a lot of stars. All of these stars you can explore too. Like this is crazy. I barely even touched Space Engine. Alright though. Let's just go to a random place. In here. Oh my god, why is it so freaking bright? Okay, let's go to this blue one. Because this one looks promising. Alright, we have this blue star right here. Blue supergiant. Binary? You've got to be kidding me. Both the stars that we're at are freaking binary. That's crazy. And a lot of these are, not doing so hot. Torrid Super Jupiter. Yeah, I can see. That's crazy. Let's go to this one. See what we got. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to go check some of those out. Yeah. 67 moons, dude. 67 moons. Yeah, that's crazy. This one actually looks really cool. Yeah, I can actually just go there. There we go. Dude. Alright, let's go see if I can, find all the rest of the junk, too. Like, where's the planet? Where's the planet? Oh my god, that's close. Dude, this is gonna look so cool. Okay, there's a planet. There's a planet that this is connected to, and some of the rest of the moons. Oh, there's another moon over there. Yeah, there's so many freaking moons to this one. Oh, that place. I can't tell if that's a Cat's Eye Nebula or not. Dude, look at this place. Whoa. This place is crazy. You can't even see anything here. Yeah, this game is already addicting, dude, and I've barely been exploring. Plus, you can search for whatever else you want, also. Here, let's go right on the edge, just over here. Oh my god, that's freaking bright. I mean, it makes sense since we're on freaking, molten lava, basically, since it's so freaking, what is it? I'm trying to think of the word here. So close to the sun. But yeah. Dude, look at how many freaking atmospheres there are to this. That's crazy. Alright, though. Yeah, let's just head out of here real quick. Yeah, that is a really thick atmosphere. Where's the planet? Let's see. Let me just go zoom out a bit. Yeah, there's that moon right there. Okay, here's a planet. You can see all the freaking moons, dude. It's crazy. Let's go to this thing. Because this thing is really bright for some reason. Oh! Oh, there we go. Just had to teleport my way onto here. This is so freaking cool, dude. Oh my god! Is there a way where you can... Oh wait, you can check out the orbits too. Yeah, you can basically look at everything here, dude. Like, it's crazy. Markers. What else we got? Labels. Lots of those. Selection pointer. Velocity vector. Celestial grids. That's crazy, dude. You can see the freaking latitude and longitude of each. Like, how? This is absolutely wild, dude. Like, if I were to freaking, go out of here real quick. Oh, wait, never mind. This is just, like, the whole, like, thing. I'm pretty sure it's, like, the whole system. I don't know. Or unless this is, like, the whole universe, and that's literally just how it's, like, made up or something. I don't know. Yeah, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, clouds. Water. Auroras. Atmospheres. Comet trails, planets, nebulas, clusters, stars, galaxies, spacecraft. I'm pretty sure we're like the spacecraft right now. So, yeah. Dude, this is so freaking cool though. Here, let me go see if I can decrease the brightness. Yeah, look at that. What is HDR? Oh, this is photo mode. Take screenshot. Yeah, there's so much stuff here, dude. Like, look at this. Spacecraft mode, aircraft mode, velocity, set current time. Sure. Oh, man. Yeah, this is a current time. It's crazy. Yeah, increase. There's so much stuff here, dude. Yeah. Event finder? Dude. You can find a whole bunch of events here and stuff. Alright. Let's go to somewhere else. Let's go to somewhere else that's like... looks interesting. I don't know. Dude, that looks so cool though. Alright. Let's get out of here real quick. Oh, it's so freaking cool how you can just see that happen. Alright though. Now where else do we go? I was gonna go over here, right? Unless I was just over here. Looks like I was just over here. Yeah. Alright, where else do we go? Let's see. Oh, I feel like that might be a nebula I've seen before. I don't know. All these nebulas look the same. Alright, though. Not many stars are in here, but let's go check one out. What about this one? This looks like a dwarf star. Red dwarf triple? What does that mean? It's a freaking triple. Oh my god, dude, it's a freaking triple system. How in the world am I finding these? I have no idea. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, let's go check them out, though. Let's go see what we got. Dude. I need to freaking zoom in on this, dude. Dude, that's crazy. How in the world am I finding the craziest systems, dude? Like, dude. Alright. Let's go back some more. Let's actually, I think I should try and head out of the galaxy real quick. Yeah, let's do that. Let's head out of the entire galaxy. Yeah. There's a galaxy. That's a galaxy right there. That's the entire freaking Milky Way. That's crazy to think, but that's the entire freaking Milky Way, dude. And look at how many other freaking galaxies there are, dude. Alright, though. Let's see what else we can find. Should we go to Sagittarius A? I think we should. Let's see. Where would that be? I think it's... Is it that blue thing? Might be that blue thing. What is that? I think that's just another nebula. Looks like it. I think over here is where Sagittarius A is, though. Let me go check orbits. Where's orbits? It's over here, isn't it? Orbits. Orbits are enabled. I don't know. But yeah. Looks like over here might be where Sagittarius A is. That looks really bright. What is that? Is that what I'm trying to look for? That's Sagittarius A. I can't believe I just found it that fast. That's freaking Sagittarius A. Okay. Yeah, let's not go too close to this thing. Dude, look at that, though. That's a freaking black hole. Dude. Yeah. Just to think, this tiny object over here is what's making the entire galaxy stay together. Is absolutely wild, but that's literally it's crazy, dude. Here, let's go see. Yeah, I don't know how in the world to work this thing just yet, but we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out soon. I should click on orbits though, just to see everything orbiting Sagittarius A. Look at all of that, dude. Look at all of those orbits around here. It's crazy. But yeah, that's Sagittarius A. Now let's go find a place that's really close. Okay, all these are really far. Except for that one. That one's 800 AU. That's 0.07 light years. Same with that. Okay, let's go to the one that's... Yeah, here. Okay. So this is our closest celestial body to Sagittarius A, which is S21. Let's go see if there's anything here. There's absolutely nothing there. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Sagittarius A. Here, in fact, can I see Sagittarius A from here? Let's see. Yeah, this is Sagittarius A still. Yeah, let's go back to over here. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. Alright. Here's Sagittarius A again. Now, let's go back to checking out all the different ones. Yeah, so this one had no other planets to it. What about this one? I don't think any of these have, like, any other planets. Yeah, it's literally just stars. Okay, though. That's super cool, though. How you can actually see freaking Sagittarius A. I guess we should go check to see what other black holes there are. Yeah, because that's the center of the Milky Way right there. I wonder what else I can find. Really big nebula over there. Yeah, let's go check this out real quick. So see what we can find. In fact, jeez, dude. Let me go locate. Oh, I can actually go to the solar system if I want to. Yeah, let's go to Oumuamua and let's just head straight to the solar system. Yeah, there's this weird asteroid thing, which there's supposedly an alien spaceship of some sorts. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah. Okay, that's the sun. Right there. If I go put on orbits, that's the solar system. Okay. And over here should be where Earth is. If my calculations are correct, this should be where Earth is. I'm gonna do just this before I click on anything else. Alright, that looks promising. That is Uranus. That is Uranus. Okay, let's go back to over here. This is Earth. Right here. At least I think so. I don't know anymore. I don't know what these orbits mean, but this looks like Earth. That's Mars. Okay, I probably should actually get good. Over here in this orbit, I'm pretty sure this has got to be Earth. Because if not, I don't know what else to say. Yup, here's Earth. Okay. I have found our home planet. Right here, this is Earth. Okay. Yeah, boy, here's Earth. Let's go. Now, if I go to, over here. Let's see. Okay, so that's North America. And I'm pretty sure I'm upside down right now. So how in the world do I rotate this? I have no idea. Oh, wait, I'm just clicking on the sun. Oopsies. Let me just go click on this real quick. Go click on Earth. Yeah, though. Here's Earth. Right over here. Yeah. So, rotating. I could probably click on land on object too. Alright, though. Yeah. Let's just go. It says Antarctica. That's North America. That means over here is Europe. And you probably already know where I'm going. Here's Sweden. Let's go to Stockholm. I don't remember where Stockholm is, but it's somewhere over here. Actually, wait, I can probably look at the city lights. Okay, it's somewhere over here. I don't know. Welcome to Sweden. This is definitely what Sweden looks like. Oh my god, dude. That is gorgeous, by the way. That is absolutely gorgeous. Here, let me go turn off orbits. Let's go turn off clouds also. Or I guess atmospheres. Oh, man, that's cool. Dude. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. Alright, though. Let's get out of here real quick. But yeah, that's Earth. Right there. Now where's the moon? Should be able to just find it. Yep, there it is. There's the moon! Alright, let's go land right over here. Onto the moon. Right in this crater, how about? Alright. Let's go see what we're looking at. Okay, that's... I should have really expected more, or less, I should say, I don't know. But, that is the wrong side. It's the wrong side of Earth, but there. I can actually see what else is, orbiting it right now. Okay, yeah, never mind. So, where else should we go? In the Milky Way. Let's see. But yeah, there's a solar system right there. Let's go see what it is pretty close to. Okay, here's a couple of nebulas I think we can just go to over here. I feel like I've seen this nebula before. Carina Grand Nebula. Okay, that's definitely something I've seen before. Never mind. Yeah, what else? What is this? What is this? Yellow supergiant? Excuse me? How big is this thing? Thing looks huge. Huh. I should go and find... Okay, so this is a solar system, so correct. No, this is a white supergiant. I'm gonna go search up something real quick. Yeah, red luminous supergiant. UY Scuti. This used to be the largest star. It's actually really close by, holy. Well, it's not close at all because it's freaking light years away, but still. I can just travel there. Right over here. Okay, this actually might take longer than I thought. Okay, there it is. You can actually see it from freaking extremely far away. But here's UY Scuti. And it's absolutely huge. Yeah, look at that thing. So, I don't think there are any planets to this. But just to let you know, this thing is absolutely huge. In fact, you probably already know how big it is just by... Here, let's see. Yeah, diameter's 15 AU. That's 15 times freaking the Earth to the Sun. That's how much an AU is. Imagine that, but 15 times. It's absolutely insane, but yeah. Rotation period is 16 years. And, yeah, temperature is 3,000 Kelvin, which is crazy. And, yeah. There's 7 planets, actually. We can go to them. Alright, though. Let's go, to the planets real quick. Ooh, these are cool. Are those binary planets? I don't know. Alright, though. Warm sub temperature. There are moons, too. Let's just go to here for now. I want to see what UY Scuti looks like. Oh my god, that's a lot of moons. Yo, should I go to one that's like in the rings? Like this one. Let's go to this one right over here. Oh man. Okay, it's an asteroid. I want to like actual moon and stuff. What's like the closest actual moon? Actually, this might be pretty cool because it's like right under. Yeah. Some of this stuff is procedurally generated, but that doesn't matter since this is freaking cool. Alright, let's go on to the asteroid. Alright. We are an asteroid. We are on an asteroid right over here. So yeah, there's UY Scuti, which is still absolutely huge. That's like the size of the freaking moon in the Earth's sky, right there. And yeah. Where in the world is the planet? Let's go over here real quick, see if I can find it. There's a planet. Dude, that is so freaking cool. It's got like Jupiter red spots on it too, which I think is super cool. But yeah, where the heck are the rings also? Can't seem to find them. Oh, that's the rings. That's the rings right there. The bubbler. They're just really there. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the stuff like this. Dude, though, that is cool. Look at that. Alright, though. What else is there? You know what's cool? I can just point to a random object like this. That is, I think, another moon. But if I just point to a random object in the sky, I can literally just go to it, which is crazy. Oh, that thing looks cool. Yeah, let's go to it. Is this an entire planet? It looks like an entire planet. It's 5,000 kilometers across. Let's see. I can't tell if this is an entire planet or not. I don't think it is. It doesn't seem like it, except it has an entire atmosphere, which is crazy. So, yeah. Yeah, it's a Subterra. Okay. I'm just gonna go right over here. Oh, let's go check out the sunrise, in fact. Dude. This is cool. Okay. Yeah, this is really cool. Okay, it's like a really doony planet. Dude, this is freaking ore right here, dude. Look at that. That's crazy. This is freaking awesome. Here, let's go check out the sun over here. Oh my god, dude. That's freaking insane. Yeah. If I just go like this, even though I can like put time and stuff down junk, I can literally just, oh my god, dude. Dude. That's absolutely insane. Dude, what is this arrow? Okay, I can just get rid of it. Dude. Holy man. This is gorgeous. Right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, though. What else we got here? That's a freaking huge mountain. Oh my god, dude. I need to go on this mountain. Let's go on this mountain real quick. Is this a volcano? I can't even tell. It looks like a volcano and stuff. Yeah. Let's just go right on the top of it. Right over here. And we should be able to see some crazy stuff too. Oh my god, this is high up. Dude. That is insanely high up. Bro, that's cool though. Okay. So yeah, the UI Scuddy should just be over here. Dude, that is so cool. I love how this place looks. Alright though. What other places to go? Since now we're at the place of UI Scuddy. Now we just need to figure out where else to go. What do we got over here? How in the world can you see that thing so far away, dude? It's crazy. That's the Andromeda, isn't that? The Andromeda? Okay, this star is in the way. Let's just move that way. Yep, that's the Andromeda, just over there. Ooh, what's that? Okay, this looks like a procedurally generated nebula, but this looks cool. That's so cool, dude. Look at that. I need to find a star that is like right here. Yeah, let's do this one. Right here. Let's go see if there's any planets. Oh my god, what is that? That looks cool. Alright, what do we got? Warm arid Terra. That actually might be pretty much what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's go to this real quick. Because I think this is going to be super cool. Alright. Dude, that is insane. Alright, let's go right over here. I need to seriously check out this place, dude. Alright, I'm going to have this, like, right... Oh, there's auroras over here, dude. Yeah, let's go right over here. So there's no atmosphere. That's the Milky Way. I can't even see the nebula. Here. Let's go to a different moon. Here, let's go see what else we have. Dude! Okay, yeah, let's go to this thing. I'm guessing it's just an asteroid. Yeah, it's just an asteroid. What about over here? What is this thing? Is it also an asteroid? Let's go see. Yep, it's also an asteroid. Okay, there's an actual moon over there. But, yeah, let's go to the actual moon. Okay, this might be like the Icy Terror or whatever. Dude, you can see all the hurricanes and stuff, too. Like, if I just go over here, holy. That was weird. Dude. Oh my god, dude. That looks freaking awesome. What is that? Oh, that's another moon. Okay. Dude. Where in the world was that nebula? I want to see where that nebula is. Oh, it's over here. Okay. I wonder if you can see it. Okay, not from over here. I need to go over someplace else in order to see it. But I seriously need to see this nebula, dude. Alright, yeah, let's just go right over here. Dude. This is crazy. Now, if I turn off the atmosphere, I should see it a lot better. Dude. That's cool. That's really cool. Alright. Let's go see what's in this nebula now. Because, yeah. Alright, I should be able to see this thing move soon. Yep, there we go. Oh my god, this place is bright. Holy. Okay, let's just click a random star that's over here. What about this one? Wait, main sequence star. Binary, of course. Triple, dude. Freaking triple. Yeah. Let's go to this one, see if there's anything. No stars. Okay. Or no planets, I should say. This one's also binary. How in the world are there so many binary stars, dude? And why none of them have planets? Come on. Okay, here we go. Another binary system. That's great. This one looks pretty unique. Let's see what we got here. Yes, cool Super Neptune. Let's go to this one. Dude, this place is crazy. Bubbler. So yeah, where the heck is that planet? That's a planet right over there. This is actually a really far away moon. Hold up. Yeah, so if I just go over here real quick. This is like blindingly just blinding. I think I need to get out of here before I hurt my eyes anymore. Just saying. Yeah, though. Look at this planet. It's got like red hues and stuff, like orange hues. Like, look at that. That's cool. Alright, though, let's go get out of this place real quick. Because it's absolutely blinding. And, yeah, let's go see what else we can find. It's cool how you can see, like, the rest of, like, the cosmic background or whatever. I just realized how fast we're moving. Yeah, we're out of the galaxy again. Ooh, this place is, like, right on the edge of the galaxy. Let's go see what we can find here. Yeah, let's go, like, right here. See what we got. Oh, that place looks cool. Hot airless subcarbonia? Those are some words. Okay. Let's go check it out. See what we got. Dude! What is that? That's cool. Definitely looks a lot like a moon. Dude, this is cool. That's the Milky Way. I gotta see this with a freaking, planet with an atmosphere. Let's go see if I can find one. Okay, there's a binary system. Are those like binary planets? Here, what do we got? Torrid Arid Super Terra. That doesn't look like it has. Okay, might have an atmosphere. Let's go check it out. Okay, it has a really cool atmosphere, I think. Unless it's just the. Okay, never mind. The atmosphere is blinding. Let's get out of here now. Come on, I need a good place with a good planet. Okay, that's really cool. What is this? Hot sub-Neptune. Binary stars. More of those. Warm Jupiter. A lot of warm Jupiters. Ooh, this is cool. I don't know. Let's just go to random nebula. Let's just go to Cat's Eye Nebula because I said that and I want to go there. There we go. Cat's Eye Nebula. Let's go. Oh, that is so cool, dude. Look at that. Alright, I don't think there's any stars here. Doesn't look like it. Oh, yeah, there are stars. There's the Cat's Eye Nebula, though, which is pretty cool. What else do we got over here? Just those, it looks like. What about over here? What's this? That's still the freaking Grand Nebula, dude. It's crazy how you can see that thing. Okay, that thing is pretty big. But yeah, that should be the, Magellanic Cloud. Which is pretty cool. And then where's the Andromeda? Is that it? It doesn't look like it. That is the Andromeda, right over there. Huh. Yeah, look at all of this, dude. It's crazy. But yeah. What looks like it should be pretty interesting. Okay, these over here look pretty interesting. Let's go check this out. Looks like this has been found before. Let's just go right over here. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be cool. Alright, let's go find a planet. Just in here. Let's go see what this star is all about. White supergiant. Does have some planets? Ooh, these look super cool. Yeah, let's go right over here. Oh, man. Alright. This looks like it has a pretty cool atmosphere, too. Active volcanoes? Let's go. It's so cool. Alright. Holy, that is something to look at, dude. Alright, where in the world is the Milky Way? I don't really see it because the atmosphere here. Unless I'm... Oh, man, that is... Alright, what does it look like with the atmosphere on? Okay, you just can't see it. That's all. That makes sense. Dude, look at this freaking volcano, though. That thing is crazy. Yeah. Alright, let's go find a planet with a less intense atmosphere. Where should we go? Here. This one. Ooh, okay. What do we got? Cool Arid Terra. I mean, it does look like it has a pretty less atmosphere. What do we got? Torrid Era Carbonia. Yeah, let's just go over here. Okay. Okay, this place looks pretty cool. Looks like another cold planet. With volcanoes. Okay. Where's the volcano? Just over here. Okay. Let's go land straight on the volcano. Or straight by the volcano, I should say. Let's go see what we got over here. Oh, this place is cool. Alright, where's the Milky Way? I don't see it anywhere. Here. Okay, there's the Milky Way. I need to go over here. Okay, you can sort of see it through the atmosphere. However, not really. Yeah, what if I just go to over here? Just over here. Okay. Yeah, now you can see the galaxy. That's pretty cool. Okay. Should I go to the Magellanic Cloud? I feel like I should. I feel like we should go to the Magellanic Cloud. Let's go to the small one. Small Magellanic Cloud. Let's go right over here. Alright. Let's go check out this place. Alright, so it looks like just over here, we've got some stuff. I don't think there's any black hole to this. Yeah, let's go see what this is all about, because this looks like a supergiant. Is that a black hole? No, it is binary star system. Alright. Oh, wait. Whoa. Whoa! That is interesting. That thing must be spinning fast. Whoa. Let's go see. Um, orbital period. Yeah, 19 days. Rotational period 3 days. Dude, I need to see what this thing looks like, dude. Oh my god, dude. What? They're so freaking close to each other. This is crazy, dude. Look at that. Oh, there's a Milky Way right over there. Oh my god. There's nothing that's close over here at all, but yeah. Wolf-Rayet star. That is crazy. It looks like they're about to collide soon. Let's go see the orbits of this. Yeah, that is insanely close, dude. Holy. That is cool. Alright, what about this thing? What do we got over here? Okay, we got some actual planets and stuff, but like... not really much to look at just yet, but... yeah. That's the Andromeda just over there. Dude, that was cool. Okay. Let's go see what else we can find. Yeah, look at that. It's got its own, like, hue and stuff now. But yeah, this is the Magellanic Cloud. Let's go see what this is. Blue main sequence star. I don't see much, though. I see a lot of oceans, which is pretty cool, but otherwise not much else. That looks to be the center. Or I guess there's a couple centers. I don't know. Okay, this looks like something over here. That's a nebula. I guess we'll just go over here. See what's up over here. I think that was the binary stars, right? Yeah, the Wolf-Rayet stars. So it's just these huge things. That's another Wolf-Rayet star. Okay. These don't look as crazy, though. They're still really close, but not as crazy as the last one. So, yeah. I wonder if I can find some Wolf-Rayet stars over here at the Milky Way. Actually, what's this? Binary? Okay. Not that much. Yeah, let's go over to the Milky Way real quick. I think next time I'm going to go explore outside of the Milky Way. Because how long have I been exploring for anyways? Let's see. I'm sorry, what? Space Engine? There we go. Has Space Engine even been on? I don't know. I swear, if Space Engine wasn't even on, dude. 58 minutes though. I think we're good, right? I don't know. That didn't look too good. Hopefully Space Engine was on. Okay, Space Engine is definitely on over here. That's for sure. Alright, though. Yeah. Ooh, that is a huge nebula. Okay. I feel like I should do one that's close to the galactic core again. Yeah, here's the galactic core just over here. At least I think so. Right? Yeah, that's the galactic core. So that means, Sagittarius A should just be somewhere over here. Which is this one right over here. Yeah, there's Sagittarius A. This cool thing. Yep. Now, what are... What are some other black holes? Let's go see. I'm just gonna go search up black hole. See if we have any, Uh, don't think I can just look like that. Yeah. Well... Event finder, let's go see. Uh, Oh, select a star. Okay, well, I can't really do anything. Okay, yeah, that's still Sagittarius A. Wait, what is this? I thought this was Sagittarius A. Can I not click on that? Yeah, Sagittarius A. What's this? Okay, that's just a different star, except it's really bright. Okay then. Yeah. Huh. In that case, where else should we go? Really don't know where else to go. Yeah, here's the Milky Way again. Yeah, I'll have to figure out some of the things for this. Here, what the heck is this thing? Is this what I think it is? Is the freaking Grand Nebula, yeah. Why is this thing so big? Just saying. Is it the Helix Nebula? Right there? That's the Helix Nebula. Or it's not. Never mind. Okay. That just looks like it. Oh, that's a cool nebula too. Yeah, let's go see if we can find something next to here. Right here. Please tell me this is planets. Oh my god, this one has a lot of planets. Okay. This one looks cool. Frigid mini Jupiter. Ooh, warm Neptune. Let's go to that real quick. Hmm. Let's just go to over here. See what we can find. Yeah, just a couple bits of asteroids. Okay, yeah, it's definitely just the asteroids look the same, basically. Alright. I'll just go right over here. Oh my god, that is insane. Look at the freaking stars over here, all aligned. You can even see Andromeda, too. Dude, that is crazy. Dude. Holy, man. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Alright. Let's go to this nebula over here. Because I feel like this looks exactly like the Helix Nebula. So let's go straight to it. Alright. Yeah, let's go check out this nebula real quick. Yeah, it looks a lot like the Helix Nebula. Alright. Let's go to one star that's like right on the edge. Just over here. Whoa! Berry Center, hold up, dude. This looks crazy. Holy. Okay. Dude. I'm pretty sure that's a pulsar. Or something. I have no idea. Dude, look at that. That's a white dwarf? That thing looks crazy, dude. Look at that. Holy. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. Man. Yeah, 58,000 Kelvin. Jeez. Oh, man. Let's see. What do we got? Uh, is that seriously? There ain't no way that's a freaking, um, I don't, I, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that thing is crazy. Alright, let's go to something that's like really close to this. I can actually look at orbits. See which one is the closest. Dude, that is crazy though. Holy. Okay, I can't tell which is the closest just yet. Looks like it's this one. This thing. What is this? What is this thing? Went way too fast. Okay. I feel like there's such an easier way of doing this. I don't know. Unless if I just click on the things. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Any moons? I don't know, but this is really cool. I don't think there's any moons, unless there is. I just don't know. I don't think there's any moons to this. All right, let's just hop on right over here. Interesting, like yellow spots and stuff. Oh, are these craters? I think these are like craters or something. I don't know. That's cool though. Is that a hurricane? Oh my god, that's a freaking hurricane. Let's check this out, dude. Look at that. That's what these things are. That's insane. Holy. Yeah, look at that. That's a hurricane right there. Keep going into the ground. Yeah, that's a hurricane. Look at that. Ooh, here's a mountain. Let's go to the mountain. Alright. Yeah, just over here. Let's go. Right over here. These are actually some cool looking mountains. Dude, that is cool. Okay. Dude. Look at that. Alright, let's turn off orbits. Atmosphere I don't think really will do much. Okay, it does a lot. Never mind, because I forgot how close it was to this nebula. Yeah, because with the off, it's basically just not even there. Alright. Now... oh wait, that's zooming. How in the world do I get the, I don't know, let's just zoom in. So which one was it? Wasn't that one. I think it was this one. Dude, yeah, there you go. Oh my god, that's so freaking cool. Look at that. Ugh, particles are weird and stuff, but that's crazy. Alright, though. Yeah, this is super cool. Okay, though. Yeah, what else do we got here? Should we go into the nebula? I think we should go into the nebula. Let's do that. Alright, let's see what we can find over here. Sequence, binary, triple over here. What are these tiny ones? Okay, triple red dwarf, what? Okay, that is not what I meant to look at. There we go. Ain't no way another freaking one of these, dude. Yeah, I think the last one was a pulsar, though. It had to have been. Because that looks crazy. Oh my god. Are those planets? Are those more stars or are those planets? I can't tell. What is this? Okay, that is planets. Okay. Because I got really confused for a second. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. What is that? Is that the entire freaking star? Oh yeah, it is, because it's orbiting it. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Dude, though. Okay, this has got to be crazy, like, just over here. This thing. Let's go to this thing. Okay, yeah. Looks like it's got one moon. It's really tiny. Hot Aridera. Let's go to the moon. Okay, here is the moon, which is extremely tiny. It's just a warm asteroid. That's literally all it is. Let's go on to it, though. Dude, that's so close. And that looks so cool, too. This whole game is, like, crazy. But, yeah, here we can turn off, orbits. Yeah, that's cool, dude. That's so cool. What's this over here? Oh, I think that's the other star, is it? Yeah, it's the other star. Huh. In that case, what the heck is this? Because that looks like a really bright star, too. I guess just really close. Yeah. What's this? Binary stars. With no planets. Okay. That's a triple. Okay. It's got one planet. And a bunch of moons. Okay. Well, what else do we have? I don't think really much else to look at. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is just a lot longitude and latitude for the entire universe, dude. It's crazy. But yeah. It's absolutely crazy. Here, let's go to this giant nebula over here that I keep somehow finding. Yeah, the Grand Nebula. Let's go see what we have by it real quick. Okay, so far not much. I could probably just go click on this to see what we got. Ooh, that is a crazy planet. Hold up. What is this? Let's go check this out real quick. Dude, that is cool. Look at that. Dang. Okay. What else do we have? That's extremely bright. Okay. Those are some huge rings. Oh my god. Cold airless for each. Here, let's go to one of these real quick. Dude, look at how freaking huge those rings are too. Dude. Like if we go right over here. There's a pretty decently sized asteroid over here. Dude, that is crazy. Alright. What else? What else do we have in stock? Dude, that is crazy also. Here, let's go even closer to that. Let's go to this. What do we got? White main sequence star. Not much happening over there. Come on. We gotta find something cool. Dude, that's the entire freaking universe I've looked at so far. That's a Magellanic Cloud, I'm pretty sure. Or I guess not. I don't know. Or unless this is... No, wait, this is the entire map of the thing. There's a wiki also. Look at that. That is cool. Okay. Yeah, that's just a map of the entire system. Dude, there's freaking nebulas in these nebulas. That's crazy. I mean, it makes sense. This thing is freaking huge, but... Like, yeah. Let's go over here. See what we can find next to this thing. Unless I just did find something. I don't know. What is this? This looks big. White luminous supergiant. Okay, nothing. Okay, looks like we got a bit of a star cluster over here. Let's go see what we can find. Main sequence. Triple. Okay. Okay, not much over there. Yellow giant? Okay. Main sequence. Main sequence. A lot of main sequence. Orange giant. Yeah, I want to go over here real quick. I want to see what in the world these things are. Like, what is that? Is that a nebula? Oh my... Why is that name so long? Bro. Okay, there's just really bright stars. Oh, they're Wolf-Rayets, that's why. Okay. Yeah. Exactly 20,000 Kelvin? That's crazy. Yeah, that's what's up with those. That's why they're so freaking huge. Oh my god. What is that? It's like it right in the middle of a nebula. Dude. I mean, that's probably what Wolf-Rayet stars are. It's just, that's so crazy. But yeah. What do we got over here? Because this one's also extremely bright. Is that another Wolf-Rayet star? Are you serious? This one's got planets on it. Hold up. Aquaria. Cool air. Oh my moons, dude. Okay. Okay, a lot of them are just asteroids. That makes sense. Here, let's go to this one. Alright. Let's go right on the edge of here. Oh my god, that's insane! Yeah, it's just Wolf-Rayet stars are extremely bright, that's all. Yeah, look at that. Here, let's go check out this planet real quick. Oh, it's got rings on it, too. Dang. Oh, here we go. I'm guessing this is like... No, that's just a moon. That's crazy. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, let's go see what else there is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the reason why that's also so bright is because it's literally in the middle of a... What is it? In the middle of a supernova or nebula. Supergiant. Main sequence. What else? I feel like there's got to be something in this nebula. Right over here. I just don't know what. Is it just there? Mystic Mountain Nebula. I don't think there's even anything there. That's a Wolf-Rayet stars. Or just one of them. Yeah. Here, what's this thing? That's got to be supergiant. Yeah. Does it have any planets? Ooh, yeah, it does. Okay. A lot of them are supergiants. Yeah, all of them are just cold, airless mini Terra. This is the only one that's freaking cold. Here, let's go to this real quick. Yeah, this thing is huge. Ain't no way that's the freaking... Oh my god, that thing is freaking close. Dude! That thing is, like, right there, dude. Holy. And it's got freaking moons, too. You've got to be joking me. That's freaking close, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. We need to go to, like, right here, dude. How in the world does this thing still have an atmosphere? I have no idea. Let's go land on it real quick. Okay, yeah, it's just bright. Oh my god, dude. That's freaking insane. Yeah, this thing still has a freaking atmosphere and everything, dude. Oh my god. That's absolutely nuts, dude. How in the world... Dude. Yeah, that thing is freaking huge, though. That thing is absolutely huge. Alright, where's that cold planet, though? Okay, it's all the way back here, I'm guessing. I mean, that's the only reason it makes sense, but yeah. Yeah, that thing is huge. Alright. Anything else that looks nice? Let's see. I got a couple other nebulas over here. Let's go see what we got. Like this one. It's a cluster. And that's very cool looking nebula. Okay. Let's go see what we got here. Diffuse. Looks like we got some extremely bright stars over here. Main sequence. Okay. Yeah. Not really any supergiants though. Just yet. Triple. Okay. How close are these? Let's see. Because those look really close. I don't think they're that close. Okay. Alright, let's go keep searching. Like, what in the world is this thing over here? It's another nebula. What is this? Fleming 1. Okay, so I feel like it's discovered, that means. That's cool. Yeah. Here, what's this? I don't know if I've been there already or not. Oh, dang, this actually looks really cool over here. Is that just a star? Or is that an entire nebula? No, these are just some stars. Random stars. White luminous supergiant. Ooh, that's a lot of planets. That one looks super cool, dude. Holy. Is that moons? Of course it does. Let's just go check out the planet real quick. Bubbler. Oh, that is cool, dude. Okay, let's go to this one. What is this one? It's not any of these. I think it's just an asteroid. Okay, let's go to this one. Yeah. Okay. So, if we just go over here, onto these interesting shape freaking land. Oh my god, dude. What is that? I mean, that's the Milky Way, but dude, this is gorgeous. Bro. Yeah, that's crazy. It looks to be a storm right there, too. Oh, man, the rings and stuff. Dude, why is this planet so cool? Dude. Alright. Let's go point back at that. Or I guess a different one, I don't know. What else do we got? See Andromeda. I don't think there's really anything close just yet. Okay, now we're going light years. Yeah, I think that's about everything, though. Okay, there's a cool supercluster over here. Let's see what this is. Okay, this one's also been discovered. That's a lot of stars. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I think we should go to, just back to Earth. Yeah. Let's go there real quick. And welcome back to Earth. Okay. Awesome. What view even is this of? Let's see. That is of Asia. Okay. Yeah, this is super cool, dude. This is actually super cool. There's a Magellanic Clouds. That's a giant nebula that I keep finding. There's the sun. And, yeah. Super cool. But yeah, I think that's gonna go wrap it up for today. I think that was pretty fun. So, yeah, there's that. Yeah, because I've been recording for 1 hour and 23 minutes, dude. That's crazy. Okay, though. Yeah, that's gonna go wrap it up for today. I'm gonna do, like, probably two more episodes on this. I don't know. Because, this game is freaking huge, dude. Like, actually. Like, I might just go find stuff randomly, like, when I'm just, like, playing around with this and stuff. Like, it's crazy. It's actually terrifying how huge, like, space is. Like, that's crazy. Like, nobody can ever find everything in this game. Like, it'll take, like, billions of years for, like, everything in this game to be explored. So, yeah, there's that for you. Like, I feel like the universe would die out before we actually, like, find everything. Like, it's crazy. Like, all those planets I found and stuff probably have never been found before. Like, that's crazy. That's just crazy to think about it. But, yeah. Let's not worry about that right now, though. I think what we should worry about is bubbler clips. No! Dude, bubbler clips time! But yeah, anyways, first, bubbler! Tropical Dreamer. I'm having this Tropical Dreamer because I'm gonna love this game. I know I'm gonna. So, yeah, let's do it. Let's crack it open. Nice. Let's go drink some bubbler. That's pretty good. Gotta say. Whoops. Another whoops. Alright, though. That was pretty good, though. But I think you should move on to the next bubbler clip. But you know what? I'm gonna go drink some bubbler first. That's pretty good. Whoops. Okay, though. Next bubbler clip. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go drink some bubbler. Whoops. Another whoops. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go drink some more bubbler, though. Because, I'm not done just yet. Whoops. Okay, though. Move on to the final bubbler clip. We're slamming this bubbler. And I hope you enjoyed the bubbler clip sound. I am going to slam this bubbler. Oh, whoops. But there we go. Slam the bubbler. But yeah, that's gonna go wrap it up for today. So yeah, there you have it. This is the new game I am playing and stuff, and I think it's actually really fun and really scary at the same time. Like, I didn't even want to leave the Milky Way or anything, just because of how freaking huge this game is. But even though I can find my way back just by typing some junk in. And I'll have to learn some other gaming. Oh yeah, I'll have to learn some other game mechanics to this too. But yeah, that was pretty fun. And yeah. I mean, we can always check out this other stuff too, like the planetarium and the flight simulator and stuff, but I'm probably just gonna go search or just go through more space. Bubbler. Oh, more bubbler. And you know what? I think that'll actually be pretty fun, just because yeah, stuff like that. Because this game is freaking huge. I can't stop saying how freaking huge this game is. Because I think this game is actually... It has to be. This game is larger than No Man's Sky. This is, like, probably the largest game ever. Like, it's crazy. But, yeah. Anyways, though, I think I am done here. So, like, yeah. Let's just go get the outro music and stuff. Because it's pretty late a.m. also. And, feel like sleeping. But, yeah. Anyways, I hope you, like, just eat an entire freaking asteroid, and I will see you next time! Bye.